Hello again mga ka-friendship! In today's video, gagawa tayo ng hearty and tasty dessert or snack as the Royale Bibingka, which is a Filipino rice cake usually served on Christmas season and special occasions. It's made of glutinous rice batter and topped with cheese. Okay mga kaibigan, so ito lahat yung ingredients sa gagawin nating dessert. So kailangan natin ng 2 cups glutinous rice, and mangangailangan din tayo ng 1 cup coconut milk, half of it gagamitin natin sa ating pang-toppings, and we have also cheddar cheese, mga ganyan karami, and half of it ihahalo natin sa ating coconut milk for toppings. We will also need 1/2 cup granulated white sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder, and half cup warm milk. Yung fresh milk guys. 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of melted butter, or pwede kayong gumamit ng margarine, plus 2 eggs guys. Okay guys, so in a bowl, i-mix natin lahat yung ating dry ingredients, and then haluin natin mabuti. Kapag na-incorporate natin lahat yung ating dry ingredients, tsaka naman natin ihalo yung ating wet ingredients. Now guys, in a separate bowl, paghalu-haluin natin yung ating wet ingredients, and then include na rin nating ihalo yung ating cheese. Haluing mabuti, and then this time i-add naman natin unti-unti yung ating dry mixture. This time ihalo naman natin yung ating 2 large eggs. Then mga ka-friendships, mix lang natin ng maigi. Mix, 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 mix. Hanggang sa ma-achieve natin yung smooth consistency. Ngayon naman, in a greased baking dish, i-transfer natin dito yung ating butter. Then cover it with a foil and bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until toothpick inserted comes clean. Okay, so habang inaantay natin ma-bake yung ating glutinous rice, lutuin natin yung ating pang-toppings. In a pan, ilagay natin yung ating half cup coconut cream and sugar. I-mix natin maigi hanggang sa maging malapot siya. Ngayong malapot na yung ating coconut cream, i-add natin yung ating cheddar cheese. So yan, tapos na natin yung ating topping. So tamang-tama, naluto rin yung ating bibingka. So we'll take it out from the oven and remove the foil. Then i-pour natin yung ating toppings on top of our bibingka. And we return it to oven and bake for another 4 to 5 minutes or until cheese is melted or the top is golden. And here's our chewy, tasty, and hearty Bibingkang Royale. Delish!